understandable that women might not have degrees. Understandable that African Americans might not have degrees because people like you and me were standing in their way with white supremacy and privilege and all that, you see. Do not discount this. This is how these people look at us. So, number one problem Biden faces, indications that Trump's base, white people without college degrees, is more energized and more committed to voting this year. How many of you are hearing that for the first time? How many of you believe that it's the Biden voter that can't wait to go, that it's Democrats, not Biden? Because Biden doesn't have a connection, but the Democrats, they hate Trump so much. They're so fed up with Trump, Mr. Orange Man. They can't stand it anymore. They're the ones can't wait to let him vote. And yet, Mr. Edsall says, no, that's not true. It's the Republicans and everyone. And there's no question in my mind that that's true. You know why? For 4 years, the people who elected Donald Trump have had to listen to this drivel. And you know what it all is. He's not qualified. His voters are stupid idiots, racists and bigots and all that. And they're fed up with it. They're fed up with the attempts to run him out of office. They're fed up with all the scandals that have been perpetrated. They're fed up with Russia this, Russia that. They're fed up of hearing Biden's got the thing sewn up. They're tired of hearing Biden in a landslide like Hillary. They can't wait to go out there and prove every damn one of you in the media wrong again. At the same time, they can't wait to go out there and save their country. And they really believe that that's what Donald Trump is. Donald Trump will save this country from the American left. That equals enthusiasm. Okay, the second of these 5 reasons that Biden should be worried, Latinos. Latinos are the key to the outcome in several crucial states, Arizona and Florida, for example. They have shown less support for Biden than for past Democrat nominees. Many Hispanic voters seem resistant to any campaign that defines them as people of color. Did you know that? Did you know that Hispanics don't like being considered people of color? Did you know that they don't like being called people of color? And who does that? That's right, the left. The Democrats, because that's how they see everybody. Their skin color, or their sexual gender, or their orientation. That's how they see people. First, second, third, and fourth. They don't see who you are. They don't care who you are. The third reason Biden should be worried, absentee voting is expected to be higher among Democrats than Republicans, subjecting their ballots to a greater risk of rejection. Whoa, wait a minute. I thought all this time we're supposed to be voting early and often and mail-in ballots and absentee. Why? Well, because bad orange man's going to have a landslide win on election night. The left is being warned. They watch election returns on election night, they'll get depressed because the early returns are going to have Trump winning in a landslide. But after they start counting the mail-in and absentee ballots, that's when Biden is going to score the reverse landslide win. So now here comes Thomas B. Edsall. Absentee voting, that's not a reason to be happy. That's a reason to be worried if you're Biden. Because Democrats do it more than Republicans. And that means their ballots are going to be rejected more for irregularities or illegalities. As Mr. Edsall says here, it's a fate more common to mailed-in votes than to in-person voting. Another reason why I say flood the phone, just show up on election day and vote. I mean like you have not done it before. There's no substitute for it. It's going to counter so many other attempts at fraud. There's no substitute for showing up. Well, I know some of you have to